Welcome to the digital learning platform of Sri Guru Sudhindra College. Subject is Indian Financial System and the topic is Financial Market. Under this financial market, we are going to see today the primary market. What is this primary market? It is a market for new issue of securities. This market deals with the issue of new securities for the first time which were not available previously. So, it is also called to be new issue market. So, primary market deals with those securities which are issued to the public for the first time. So, in other words, in primary market, government or corporate sector issues securities that change hands from the issuer to owner. So, in the primary market, borrowers exchange new financial securities for long-term funds. Thus, this primary market helps in capital formation. So, primary market, it is offered to the investors for the first time. So as I told you, primary market is a market which is also called to be new issue market, and this new issue market is also said to be public issue because it is going to sell the bonds or stock to the general public. Because of this only it is called to be public issue of securities. Hope you understood the meaning of primary market. Now let us go to the next concept, that is the type of issue or raising capital. So under this you are having three types: public issue, right to issue and private placement. One by one we'll discuss today. That is public issue. Public issue is nothing but sale of bonds or stock to the general public is known as public issue. So the new issue market is also known as public issue. In simple, I can tell you, the newly started companies raise capital by issue of shares to the public. It is said to be public issue. Second one is right to issue. So securities are issued to existing investors by offering them to purchase more securities at predetermined price on preferential basis. It is said to be right to issue, or we can say when an existing company wants to raise additional capital, securities are first offered to the existing shareholders on preferential basis. It is said to be right to issue. The last one is, that is private placement. The sale of securities to relatively small number of selected investors as a way of raising capital is said to be private placement, or we can say when the securities are sold privately to a small group of investors, it is called private placement. Example, banks or mutual funds. Okay, the next one is functions of primary market. Total we are having 5 different functions of primary market. First one transfer, second one distribution, third one investigative services, fourth one advisory and information services, fifth one is underwriting. So one by one we'll discuss. First one is transfer. What is this transfer? Transfer is said to be the most important function of primary market. Primary market helps to transfer the resources from investors to entrepreneurs who establish new organization. In case the entrepreneurs who want to establish new companies, it is the primary market who help them to transfer the resources from investors to entrepreneurs. Okay. Second one, that is the distribution. Primary market is having a facility of selling the securities to ultimate investors through brokers or agents who are having direct contact with the ultimate investors. This regarding the distribution. Now third one is investigative services. Investigative services includes economic analysis, technical analysis, financial analysis of the companies where an investor wants to invest Such information helps the investors in making correct choice as to the type, quality and quantity of investment to make. Fourth one, that is advisory and information services. Various advisory services are available in primary market for improving the quality of capital issue in the market. For example of advisory services like determining the type, the mix, the price, the timing, the size and terms of and conditions of the issue of securities, etc. And the last one, that is the fifth one, that is underwriting. Underwriting is nothing but it's a contract between a company and another party called underwriter, whereby in the event of issue of shares or debentures not being subscribed fully by the public, the underwriter agrees to take up the balance. The main objective, or we can say the main aim of this underwriting, is guaranteeing the subscription to public issue. It's a kind of guarantee undertaken by an institution or firm ensuring the marketability of an issue. So underwriting helps successful subscription of the issue by underwriting to take up the securities in the event of public failing to subscribe the same. So it is said to be the most important function of primary market. Thank you.